If you keep over-explaining yourself, over-giving, or settling for less, this harsh psychology fact is going to hurt. Beat. Most people don't realize this, but your brain has been lying to you about your worth. Psychologists call this self-value conditioning, and once you understand it, you'll see why you tolerate disrespect, chase validation, and stay stuck in situations that drain you. Your relationships, your confidence, even the way people treat you, all of it is influenced by how much you believe you're worth. But here's where it gets worse. Most people think knowing their worth is about confidence. That's the biggest mistake. Psychology says people don't mistreat you by accident. They treat you exactly how your behavior teaches them to. If you accept crumbs, your brain labels crumbs as normal. And once something feels normal, you stop questioning it. But here's the part nobody wants to admit. The reason knowing your worth feels so hard is because your brain is scared of what you'd lose if you actually acted like it. This happens because your brain is wired for survival, not self-respect. It would rather keep familiar pain than risk unfamiliar growth. So if you grew up having to earn love, attention, or approval, your mind learned this rule early on. My value comes from what I give, not who I am. That's why you overgive. That's why you stay quiet when disrespected. That's why you second-guess your boundaries. Your brain thinks, if I ask for more, I'll lose them. But the reality is, if you never ask for more, you lose yourself. And here's the uncomfortable psychology part. People don't rise to your potential. They respond to your standards. When you don't know your worth, your nervous system confuses tolerance with safety. If that hit you, good. It means you've been settling longer than you want to admit. Here's the truth you've been avoiding. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you believe you deserve. So, if you want to break this cycle, start with this mental shift. Stop asking, how do I make them value me? And start asking, why am I explaining my value at all? Here's the psychological trick that actually works. Every time you're about to over-explain, over-apologize, or over-give, and do the opposite. Silence, boundaries, consistency. Knowing your worth isn't loud, it's calm. And the moment your behavior changes, your life has no choice but to follow.